we have still 59 hostages in Gaza, dead and alive. Many of them died because of the pressure, the military pressure. The military pressure is not bringing the opposite. The military pressure is killing them. So this war is just a war that had to end many months ago. There's no purpose, there are no achievements anymore. We just again and again in the mud of this war. And the fact that Bibi is a liar is known all over the world. I can't say more than that. He lies like I breathe.
You think the people here don't care from the people in Gaza. When we do care about them, we think there are too many people, innocent, that were killed. Of course, we want our kidnapped back, and we are worried for our soldiers. We don't think there is any reason to continue this war. We don't think that revenge is the solution for what happened here. We think we need to live together, even though what happened. We need to be strong.
Amir